Hello, everyone. Looking for a best toasters? These are the best toasters on the market today. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. Breville Die-Cast Smart Toaster. Introducing the Breville Die-Cast Smart Toaster, where cutting-edge technology meets the timeless ritual of toasting, creating a breakfast experience like no other. This toaster isn't just an appliance. It's a culinary companion that elevates your morning routine. Crafted with precision, the die-cast smart toaster features innovative technology that ensures your toast is golden and crispy every time. With intuitive controls, you can adjust toasting levels, and the bit more function lets you perfect it to your liking. Beyond its sleek die-cast metal design, this toaster adapts to various bread sizes and types, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The LED progress indicator adds a touch of sophistication, creating anticipation for the perfect toast. Number 4. BLA CK Plus DECKER Rapid Toast 2-Slice Toaster. Meet the BLA CK Plus DECKER Rapid Toast 2-Slice Toaster, a kitchen essential that combines speed with simplicity to redefine your breakfast routine. This toaster isn't just an appliance, it's your reliable partner for quick and efficient toasting. Designed for busy mornings, the Rapid Toast Toaster features dual slots to accommodate 2 slices, ensuring everyone gets a perfectly toasted start to their day. With adjustable browning control, you can personalize your toast to the desired level of crispiness. The compact and sleek design of this toaster makes it a countertop-friendly addition to any kitchen. The extra lift feature ensures easy removal of smaller items like English muffins. Number 3. Cuisinart 2-Slice Motorized Toaster. Unveil a new era of toasting perfection with the Cuisinart 2-Slice Motorized Toaster, a kitchen essential that combines innovative design with unparalleled precision. This toaster isn't just an appliance, it's a culinary companion that ensures your toasting experience reaches new heights. Featuring motorized lift control, this toaster effortlessly raises and lowers your toast with precision, creating an even golden brown finish every time. With 7 shade settings, you have the freedom to customize your toast to perfection. The sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen, while the extra-wide slots accommodate various bread types and sizes. The defrost and bagel functions provide versatility for all your toasting needs. Number 2. Smeg 50's Retro-Style Aesthetic 2-Slice Toaster. Step into the charm of the past with the Smeg 50's Retro-Style Aesthetic 2-Slice Toaster, where iconic design meets modern toasting innovation for a breakfast experience like no other. This toaster isn't just an appliance, it's a timeless piece that adds a touch of retro flair to your kitchen. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Smeg toaster features a 50s-inspired aesthetic with chrome accents, creating a statement on any countertop. Equipped with 6 toasting levels and extra-wide slots, it accommodates various bread sizes and types. Beyond its aesthetic allure, this toaster ensures even browning with its self-centering racks, guaranteeing a perfect slice every time. The stainless steel body adds durability, making it a lasting addition to your kitchen ensemble. Number 1. KitchenAid ProLine Series 2-Slice Automatic Toaster. Introducing the KitchenAid ProLine Series 2-Slice Automatic Toaster, a culinary masterpiece where cutting-edge technology meets sophisticated design, transforming your morning routine into a gourmet experience. This toaster isn't just an appliance, it's a precision instrument for toasting perfection. Crafted with the culinary enthusiast in mind, the ProLine Series toaster features intelligent sensors that automatically lower and lift your toast, ensuring consistent browning every time. With 7-shade settings and extra-wide slots, it accommodates a variety of bread sizes and types. The sleek die-cast metal design with chrome accents adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The dual independent controls allow for simultaneous toasting of different bread types,